Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on the application of Reddit. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Reddit and you will click here in this page. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.